Okay, here we are at Camp Carroll, and I want to show you a very simple way to make your own nature journal. You need three things. You need at least two pieces of paper. We're going to do a 3-1 now. And you need to be very carefully, you need to stack them on top of each other, and you need to fold the bottom to the top, and then you need to put a real sharp crease in them. And you may want to do that for each piece. Okay, I've taken my 3 pieces of paper and I've folded them so their edges meet neatly, and I've made a real sharp crease here where the fold is. Now our next step, I'm going to take the other 2 pieces. I'm going to lay this one horizontal with the crease at the top. I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to put them so that the top edge of them with the crease on this side is like in the middle. So I have this, I've got 2 fingers worth here, I've got 2 fingers worth over here, so it's in the middle. I'm going to slide that down just a tiny bit. I'm going to take my pencil or my pen and I'm going to mark. So, like that. Then I'm going to take my edge, my crease, and I'm going to lay it, the other sheets, over the top. Match them up, but I'm going to leave it so I can see those marks. And I'm going to put a mark on those as well. Okay? I'm going to use this one as a straight edge, and I'm going to connect those 2 marks on the bottom one so it looks like this. And I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to go from the edge into that line, or the line out to the edge. So I have 2 marks on the spine of this one, the fold, and the other one. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to cut on those lines. I'm going to sneak my scissors in here, and I'm going to cut along that way. Okay, put the scrap in my pocket so it doesn't blow away. And I'm going to do the same, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to take my scissors and do the same thing, but on the ends, these pieces. I'm cutting these little notches out. I cut a slot out of the first one, and I'm cutting notches out of the other ones. And so I'm going to cut, and then I'm going to cut that little piece out there. Okay? So I end up with pieces that look like this, and one piece that looks like this. This has a slot, these have notches. Okay, here we go. So I've got both my papers oriented this way, landscape. I'm going to softly fold the pieces with the notches in them so the notches match up, and I'm going to slide that into that slot. And once I get there to the notches, I can slide it up I can fold it down, and I've got a journal. No staples needed. Doesn't come apart. Simple way to make a journal.